Hello guys, this is Gos Baba Ugiagbe. So today I will show you step by step how you can create your Coinbase account. So for those of you who don't have a Coinbase account and you want to create your Coinbase account, you are on the right video. So I will show you step by step how you can create your Coinbase account. And if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, I will show you a bonus that will help you to even make money with Coinbase. So let us head over to my computer right now. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to click the first link in the description of this video. So once you click on the first link in the description of this video, it will take you to this website, which is Coinbase. So as you can see guys, this is Coinbase. Because you click my link, you are going to get a $10 Bitcoin when you sign up using my referral link. So once you click on that link from the description of this video, then the next thing what you have to do is to enter your first name, last name, you enter your email here, you enter your password, then you just scroll down and click on you accept that you are more than 18 years old, and once you accept that, you click on create and your account will be created. So the next step is that you are the one to do this step. It's not me. You are just going to do it by yourself. It's very simple. Coinbase is going to ask for your ID. So once you have give Coinbase the ID that you have, let me say it can be passport or your national ID. So use any one that you have, but you have to make sure that the ID is validated one, not a document that have expired. So once you have verified your account, then your account will be fully verified and you will have your Coinbase account. So let's assume now that you have your Coinbase account, because you know it now. It's very simple. All you just did was just enter your first name, last name, your email address, you enter your password, accept that you are more than 80 years old, you click on create account and your account will be created. You see everything like what we did here. Bam, 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 and your account will be created. So let us conclude now that your account will be created. The next thing you have to do is to log into your Coinbase account. Let me show you a bonus that I told you. Let me show you the bonus in just a second. So just click on login. So once you click on login, it's going to bring you asking you your email, and you enter your email, you click on continue. So once you click on continue here, what is going to ask for your password. You have to enter your password. So as you can see, I have just entered my password. I just need to scroll down and click on continue. So once I click on continue here, it's going to open my account. They have sent me a code telling me to enter it. So I'm going to enter the code in just a second. So as you can see, I have just entered the code. So it's telling me to verify that I want this computer to save this my account within 30 days. I will click on this, confirm. So now my account have just opened. So you can see, congratulations, your account have just been fully created. So what I want you to pay in mind is that once you open your account, you can deposit money into your Coinbase account. Let me say up to $10 to $50, just depend, like just deposit at least up to $10, so that this strategy I'm going to show you, this bonus I'm going to show you will work. So what you can do here, you need to click on this section. You see a section where you say learn and earn. This section here where you say learning reward, this section here. Once you click on learning reward, it's going to open this tab. Boom. So once this tab open, you can see for you to just take this quiz. This is a quiz you can take. As you can see, I have taken this quiz here. I made $1, $1. And if you scroll down here again, you can see $1, $1, $1 for just taking all this quiz. And you can do the same thing too. You can see I made $3 for this on this quiz. So that is the bonus I'm talking about on this video. So all you just have to do, go and start using Coinbase so that you can start making this type of money. So you can see it. Let me open one of the quiz. So I will just click on the quiz. This is kind of a quiz that you are going to be watching anytime any quiz is available for you. So it's because I have already watched all those quiz. That is why they are like that. So this is how the quiz look like. So you will see, normally it's because I've watched it. That is why it's showing lesson. So as you can see, normally it's supposed to be showing quiz. Then at the end of the quiz, they will ask you, what do you think about what you have just watched? And you will just reply them with, you don't have any wrong and right answer. Just click on it. It will refuse until you click on the right question. So and once you click on the right question, that $1 will be deposited into your Coinbase account. So that is how it works. is very simple. So that is it, guys. And the second bonus that you can still use to make money with this method is the referral program. So you can refer people to Coinbase, and at the end of everything you will make money. And if you use my referral code, you will make $10 for just referring for me referring you to this program, and you are making money for just using my referral code. So make sure you use my referral code to get your $10. So that is it, guys. So I'm going to end this video from here on how you can create your Coinbase account. If you find this video helpful, please just leave me a like and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will see you on my next video.